I'm Virginia McGathey here on the floor at the CME Group reporting on the grain market today. Soybeans gapped up. The trade war is put on hold now, and it really unlocked the bulls. The China discussion of imports to use soybeans to close that trade gap really got everybody on the buy side. We rallied 25 cents, and it started even 5 cents higher. That gap worries me just a little bit. Just technically speaking, we know at some point the market's going to fill that in, but looking very, very strong here. The wet weather also looks like it may hamper any planting that hasn't been done yet. And there has been some areas in the U.S. where all the planting is done, and certainly it is for the corn. The corn also was very firm today, up a couple of cents. It started up almost a nickel just right out of the box, but it brought in a little bit of selling. But still, the fact that we're up higher said that the fundamentals and the technical numbers are still pointing to the upside. The exports look really bullish this week, and that's holding the market up. The new high did trigger a little bit of selling, so when the market opened, some selling came in just to temper it a little bit. However, the short-term trend still looks a little bit higher, and there had been some spillover buying from the soybeans. Wheat was a little bit lower today. It seems that the better start really sparked some selling. Now, we gave back about half of what our rally was yesterday, but so that still looks strong overall, so the trend is still looking to the upside. The futures did test those resistance numbers and couldn't quite get through it, so maybe the market's not ready to break out to the upside yet on that wheat market. It has been a lot more volatile, and I expect that there's going to be a lot more volatility going forward. We're going to watch that day to day now that the U.S. talks have been put on hold. We still have to watch, because if they decide to take that off hold, we don't know exactly which way it's going to go. That's all from the floor at the CME Group here in Chicago. I'm Virginia McGathey.